Right, so today I'll be showing you how to change the access code for your hidden apps on your OnePlus 15. So you might have set up an access code like mine, which is #000 hash, and that brings up my hidden apps. So if you've forgotten that access code, then you can change it by going to settings. Under settings, go to security and privacy, tap on that. Under security and privacy, go to hide apps at the bottom. It's going to ask for your privacy password. So once you give that privacy password, it's going to allow you into the hidden apps settings. So you want to go to settings in the top right corner and then select the access method and then tap on access code settings, and then you can set up a new access code. Okay, so make sure this time you don't forget the access code, but if you forget it, again, as long as you have your privacy password, then that's how to set up your access code or how to reset a forgotten access code. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.